Hey everybody, welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week, we're taking you up to Kingsland, Georgia for the monthly Kingland Cars and Coffee meetup. It's always on the first Saturday of the month, which is, kind of good. We don't make it out to this event as much as we would like, just because schedules get hectic and there's other shows going on, and it's just, it happens. You get busy with other things, and you don't make it out to the ones you want to make it out to, but you got this shiny other one that we want to go to. So anyway, we made it out this month. Just so happens we made it out this month. We had another show going on, so we had to split the day and leave a little early. But hey, at least we went. So we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. This is going to be the Walkabout cam, where we take a cell phone and a selfie stick and just show you around the car show and show the cars and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you do enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you every day of the week. We're going to keep going out to the car shows, so now let's rev it up for the car show.
Riley, watch out. Watch out. Picture? Sure. Take a picture? Yeah, exactly. We drove that for 9 months.
She's all right. Alright, that's going to wrap up this video from the Kingsland Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for November. We enjoyed it. There were a lot of cool cars out there. Kind of a little bit smaller than normal. I think that might have been just because of the day and there were other things going on, and it was Florida-Georgia game day. So I think a lot of people were getting ready, pre-gaming for that. There was also another show going on in Baldwin, Florida that we're going to take you to as well. There'll be videos coming from that shortly. So it was overall a little bit smaller than usual. And I don't know if it was just a time change or what, but hey, we went out, we took video, we took pictures. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you do enjoy it, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. We're trying to get to our initial 500 subscribers to get them YouTube dollars rolling in from the ad revenue. So that'd be great if you guys could help out with that. Share the video around, talk about it. You know, whatever you could do to help the channel, it'd be great. We're a small content creator, one-man operation pretty much. So anything you can do to help would be great. I'd appreciate it. So we're gonna go out to the car show this next weekend. We'll see you guys out there. We'll go to whatever car show we go to. I don't know what it is right now, but hey, we know we're gonna go to a car show on Saturday. So we'll see you guys out there. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you every week.